Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete activity on TikTok. So if you want to delete all of your activity history on the TikTok account, you can just follow my step here. Just first, let's open the TikTok application. And then after you open TikTok, you can just now head to your profile by clicking on this profile button at the top right, the bottom right corner, and then go to the settings and privacy. Click on this three lines icon at the top, and this will show up, and choose the settings and privacy. And in here, to find all of your activity, you can just go to the activity center that is display in here under the content and display activity center. Just tap on that, and in the activity center you'll see all of your activity on TikTok, including watch history, command, search, mention, account, recently deleted, or there is also this manage post, visibility, comments, and associated videos. So in here, for example, you want to delete your watch activity history, you can just tap on this, and you will see all of the videos that you watch on TikToks. If you want to delete it, you can just click on select at the top, and then you can select the one that you want to delete from your activity, and at the bottom there will be this delete button, and you can just click on delete again if you are confirmed, because it will delete permanently. You cannot undo these actions. Tap on delete, and just like that it will be removed from your watch activity. And it's also the same with, for example, search history. You can just click on it, and here you can select again and choose the one that you want to delete, just like this. Okay, after you select that you want the one that you delete, or you can also delete or select all search history. If you want to delete all, just tap on delete all, tap on delete again, and now your search activity has been deleted. And so that's all for me. That's how you can delete your TikTok activity. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment if you still have question, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.